Hello my lovelies, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Franshi Mukherjee. As we all know, Diwali is right around the corner and the search party for exclusive outfits and beautiful makeup might be going on. So here I am today with yet another look that I created for Diwali this year. Now this look is quite special because as you can see, wherever I have placed the green color, you can totally switch up the green color with any other color you want, any other color that matches with your outfit. If you're wearing, for example, an orange colored outfit, you can totally just all you have to do is switch the green color with the orange one and you're good to go. I tried the green one because I had to try on this outfit today. So please watch the complete tutorial and please let me know in the comment section below if you like this video. And also, if you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have very exciting content planned ahead as well. So guys, we are gonna start off by placing the dark brown color right in the crease. Now as you can see, I started from the inner corner and I pulled the brown color up until the 2/3 of my eye and I stopped just there. I am using a densely packed brush by MAC over here because I want the maximum intensity of the eyeshadow to come. Now after that, we are gonna make a winged eyeliner using the same brown shade and the same brush. I'm using my Makeup Revolution London palette over here and you can see the pigmentation, it's amazing. इसका पिगमेंटेशन इतना कमाल का है कि मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं कोई लाइनर यूज़ कर रही हूँ, but it's simply an eyeshadow. I'm picking up the eyeshadow and I'm just applying it with the densely packed brush. Now I'm gonna smudge it off and diffuse it with a corally brown shade, a lighter brown shade, so it gives a nice transition and it looks blended out. To blend out, I'm using a fluffy brush. This brush I got from this same palette. It came with this palette, Makeup Revolution London. I'm gonna blend it out very light-handedly so that the eyeliner does not lose its intensity but looks blended out. So guys, how's your festive season going? Please let me know in the comment section below. How's your Diwali has been? I know Corona has not treated us well in the past, but I feel कि last year की दिवाली और इस साल की दिवाली, इस साल के festivals for that matter, काफ़ी energy है इस साल festivals में. इस साल मैंने लोगों को देखा है गरबा events attend करते हुए, काफ़ी active रहे हैं लोग throughout the festive season. I think people have just learned to live in the situation, to adjust and to इस situation में ही festivals को कैसे enjoy करना है. We have learned. लास्ट ईयर ऐसा नहीं था. लास्ट ईयर इट वॉज कम्प्लीट लॉकडाउन एंड आई रिमेंबर हम लोग लास्ट ईयर दुर्गा पूजा देखने के लिए भी नहीं गए थे. एंड एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम नमा वॉज रियली स्मॉल, सो हमारे घर पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा प्रिकॉशंस लिए थे कि बाहर नहीं जाना, सो दैट किड्स आर सेफ. Now here I am using Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. I love this concealer. It's really pocket friendly and it has the great pigmentation, has a great coverage. Now I'm gonna pick up this product, very little of this product, on my smallest brush so that it's easier to apply it right below my brown shade in my crease. I just want to clean the area below my crease and give my cut crease area a clean look. Now since I'm gonna wear a green outfit today, I was thinking of doing something, playing with green colors. So first of all, I'm gonna pick up this shimmery green eyeshadow from my Beauty Glazed palette and I'm gonna apply it right above my eyeliner. Now this look is quite special. जैसे कि मैंने introduction में बताया कि इस लुक को आप खुद क्रिएट कर सकते हो क्योंकि आपने इसमें ब्राउन कलर का लाइनर यूज़ किया है, ब्राउन कलर अपने क्रीज में यूज़ किया है. तो ब्राउन कलर एक ऐसा शेड है जो ऑलमोस्ट हर शेड के साथ बहुत ही अच्छा मैचिंग लुक देता है. सो इफ यू वांट सम पिंक आई शेडो लुक, you can totally switch up the green and use the pinks wherever I have placed the green color, and you'll be good to go. So please don't forget to share your sneak peeks, your pictures with me on Instagram. I would definitely reshare the ones I love. Now here I'm gonna pick two shades of green pressed glitter eyeshadow from the same palette, Beauty Glazed palette. I'm gonna gently pat the brush on my eyelids so the entire glitter sets on my eyes. An eye makeup look is never complete without putting on some eyeshadow in the lower lash line. So here I am. I picked up the same green shade I placed right above my eyeliner, and I'm placing that green color in my lower lash line first. And then I'm gonna smudge it off and blend it well using a brown shade, the dark brown shade that I placed in my crease and the eyeliner. And I'm gonna place the brown color as close to my lower lash line as possible. Now I'm quickly gonna go and wear my lashes because I feel कि without lashes आपके eye look का जो glamour है वो अधूरा रह जाता है, and festive season है, so why not? So guys, this was the complete tutorial. I hope you like this video, and if you do like this video, please don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you want me to try any other look, please comment down below. I love to read from you guys. You can also DM me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is mentioned in the description box below. So until next time, have a very happy and prosperous Diwali to you and your family. Until next time, bye.